Hello, thanks for watching this video and for desiring to be an excellent Christian steward. I was once privileged to work with a couple out in California who had spent decades in ministry. In preparation for their own retirement, they had actually purchased a duplex, and they'd lived in half of it and rented the other half of it. As time went on and they moved into different homes throughout their ministry, they retained one half of that duplex as a rental property. And then came the day when they just decided they didn't want to fix broken toilets anymore. And they contacted me and said, isn't there a tool whereby we could give the real estate to a ministry and receive an income for the rest of our lives? And we discussed a charitable remainder trust. After seeing how that trust might work, they decided it was a perfect tool. So they contributed the real estate to a specially designed charitable trust that would sell the property and avoid all the capital gains taxes, provide monthly income to them for the rest of their lives, and then when they were gone to be with the Lord, distribute the remaining principal of the trust to a list of their favorite ministries. The gentleman passed away prior to his wife, and over the years, she changed the beneficiary list to reflect current desires, and churches and some of the ministries were no longer in business, but she continued to benefit from the lifetime income. She continued to have joy knowing that when she went to join her husband with the Lord, that the ministries would benefit. And then that occurred, and the property has now been distributed to a list of 5 ministries that they loved and cared about. That tool is called a charitable remainder trust, and it's available to you for use should you have an appreciated asset that you need income from for the rest of your life, but would be willing to have the remaining principal go to your favorite ministries. And oh, by the way, as a little bit of a sweetener to that, when you actually make the initial contribution, you'll also receive a pretty generous charitable tax deduction. So a tax deduction, income for life, avoidance of capital gains on the sale of the asset, and knowing that when you go to be with Jesus, your favorite ministries will benefit from an ultimate distribution gift. We've got a special booklet about the Charitable Remainder Trust. You can request it free, no cost, no obligation. We'd be happy to send it to you. Thanks again for watching this video and for desiring to be an excellent Christian steward.